Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize MetaTrader 4 platform for iOS. Now, there isn't a huge amount of customization available, but all the main customizable things you can do on MetaTrader 4, obviously on the quote screen as we showed before, you can edit the list of instruments. You can add different instruments depending on which ones you like, so we can just add on that flow, and there we go. On the charts tab, obviously we explained how you can change the color scheme. Those are the main edits you can do. But if we go to the settings, okay, so obviously in the charts tab we explained how we can change the different type of chart, bar chart, line chart, candlesticks, obviously the color scheme. So all very self-explanatory. But we also have a settings tab, and here you can just basically turn off sounds, auto lock, enable news, and also a lock screen. So those are the main settings really. You do also have the option to change language depending on the language that you speak. And those are the main customizable features of MetaTrader 4. So it's really more about the actual trading itself and the charts than anything else. So I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.
AAAFx